My name is Scott Matthews. I'm sales manager here at Jan Door. One of the biggest reasons folks keep coming back to us is because we've been here at the same location. We've been here since 1955. We're family owned and operated. We care about your garage door. We care about your commercial garage doors. You know, when things break, we want to make sure that we can be there for you. We want to make sure when you go home at night, you feel safe, you feel secure. On a commercial side, if a door goes down, it can be affecting operations, it can be affecting your security. And with trained technicians, with 24-hour emergency service, whether it's residential, commercial, or industrial, we'll be there for all of your garage door needs.